Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the internal rate of return. So let us get in. We're in Excel and I've got a table here and I've got the business over here. And what we want to do is in the beginning of the business, you have a capital contribution and this is the capital contribution, right? So this is money going out. So this number over here needs to be a negative number. As you can see here, there is a minus just before the dollar sign. So every year, this is the return. So year 1, year 2, all the way down to year 10, and this is the return. Okay, so how do we calculate the internal rate of return, or the IRR? The first thing we need to do is, if this is where we want it, we want to type in the equals key, and then we want to type in IRR, and we want to open brackets. Okay, now we want to go ahead and we want to select all these values here. So you click down and you drag down and you want all of these values. And then we want to close the bracket. Now, if you are running into errors here, okay, sometimes Excel wants you to guess what your internal rate of return could potentially be. So what you would then do if you're having an error is type comma and put it in percentage form. So comma, and let's say perhaps it's 11%, you would put 0.11, and that'll represent 11%. What it'll do is it will then give you an accurate rate. Now what you're going to do is hit enter, and you can see this is now your internal rate of return. And if you have more than one column over here, you can just go ahead, tap on here, use the little block over there in the bottom right corner, drag it over, and that formula will continue with all the details in each one of these columns. If this was a helpful guide, drop us a like and we'll see you next time. Peace.